Is retrograde 20.
Hoy, ano yan?
Retrograde 20. No questions. Thank you. Next. Pero gosh, after all these years, I am still swooning over your songs. Invincible. My heart has a mind of its own. Kailan pa may ikaw, the way you look at me, sobrang timeless hits. Magamit ko pa sa kaselfon. Welcome back to Family Feud. Kanina ang nanalo na po ang King of the World Philippines. Kasama natin si Rizal at siya ang tunang maglalaro dito sa ang target ng King of the World Philippines nakapag-uwi ng total cash prize of 200,000. At siyempre, pare, panalo rin ng 20,000 ang napili ng charity. Ano ba? Child Foundation. So sa inyo ang winning sa 20,000 nila. So while Howell is back there, it's time for Fast Money. Give me 20 seconds on the clock.